Hello, my dear student. In previous video, we have discussed the 4-level laser. In this video, we have discussed the comparison of 3-level and 4-level laser. First of all, we discuss the 3-level laser system. 3-level laser system. In that 3-level laser system, that will be we consider that 3 level, that is the population of N1 in E1 level, E2 level, that E3 level, and that population N2 in that level population N3. Then the threshold population of that 3-level laser system, that is the nth is equal to N2 minus N1. That is the threshold population is equal to N2 minus N1 is the threshold population, threshold population for 3-level laser system, Okay, this is the equation for threshold population, but in this equation, that will be the N2 minus N1. That N3 will not consider, that is equal to 0. Why? Because the firstly atoms in the ground state, then incident the energy of that atom absorb that energy and jumps into that E3 state, but that lifetime of that atom in that E3 state is 10 raised to minus 8 seconds, and this is the very small, and that complete this lifetime, these atoms goes back to the energy level E2, and that is the metastable state, and that lifetime of that metastable state is 10 raised to minus 3, and that 10 raised to minus 3 is greater than the 10 raised to minus 8. That's why in that 3-level laser system, that threshold population, we write only N2 minus N1, that N3 will be, that E3 state will be neglected. Why? Because in that E3 state, the lifetime of that atoms is very less, that is the 10 raised to minus 8 seconds. इथे थांबत नाही, हे काय येतं परत कुठे येतं मेटास्टेबल स्टेटकडे येतं. ओके, that nth is equal to N2 minus N1. Then N3 is the number of atoms in E3 state. It is the number of atoms of population N3 of E3 state, which is very less amount as compared to the E1 and E2 state. So we will use only E1 and E2, and so we write that equation nth is equal to, again write N2 minus N1. Nth is equal to N2 minus N1, and that equation also we calculate the value of N1, that N1 transform that side, it will be the minus, it will be the plus, and that N2, this NTH, threshold population, this is the plus, transform of that side, it will be the minus. That is equation number 1. N1 is equal to N2 minus NTH, N2 minus NTH. Similarly, that number of atoms available of state E1, E2, E3, E1, E2 and E3 is that N0 is equal to, that equation we have seen in previous video, that is the 3-level laser system, N1 plus N2 plus N3, but that N3 is the number of atoms of that ET state is very less, that's why it will be the neglected, that means N3 is equal to 0, and that remaining equation N0 is equal to N1 plus N2. Okay, then we write the value, then we calculate the value of N1, that N1, we write the value of N1, and that N2 is transformed from that side, it will be the plus, and transform of that side it will be the minus, and then N1 is equal to N0 minus N2. This is equation number 2. These two equation, N1, N2 minus this N3, why? Because it will be the cancel, because in that N3 items, that in energy state E3, the number of atoms is very less. Why? Because this lifetime will completed, it will goes back to that return ground state and metastable state. Then compare equation 1 and 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. Then we write N2 minus NTH. Compare of N1 is equal to equation 1. That is the N2 minus NTH is equal to, and equation 2 are the N1 is equal to N0 minus N2. Not minus N2. This minus N2 transform of that side, it will be the N2 plus N2 is equal to N0 as it is. This transform that side, it will be the plus NTH. N2 plus N2 twice N2 is equal to N0 plus NTH. It will be the multiply of 2, transform that side, it will be the divide. N2 is equal to N0 plus NTH divided by 2. This is N2 is equal to N0 divided by 2 plus NTH divided by 2. N2 is equal to N0 divided by 2 plus NTH divided by 2. Similarly, but we know that N0 is the total number of atoms of that lasing action. Then similarly, we know that N0 is equal to total population, total number of atom or total population of atoms. N0 is total population of atoms in much greater than number of atoms for threshold condition. So this N0 is the total number of atoms in that participate of that lasing action in three level laser system, but this is the greater than the number of atoms in threshold condition. That's why N0 is greater than NTH, and that's this NTH will be neglected, and therefore this remaining term of that equation, that N2 is greater than, and that N2, that is the number of atoms in energy level E2, will be greater of that N0 divided by 2. That term will be neglected, and therefore this number of atoms in energy level E2 will be greater than N0 divided by 2, that is N0. That means that a number of atoms in energy level E2 is greater than the half of the total number of atom. So for the laser action, in laser action, number of population, that is the total number of population of atoms should be greater at metastable state, that is E2, metastable state E2, then the half of the total population of atom. In that N2 is greater than N0, that means the number of atoms in energy state E2 is greater than the half of the total number of atom. N0 is the total number of atom in that lasing action in the three level laser system. Okay, equation are required that N2 is greater than N0 divided by 2. These are the process that the 3-level laser system. Then again next, that is the 4-level laser system. 4-level laser system. We draw the diagram of that 4-level. This is E1, this is E2, this is E3, and this is E4, and that will be the N1, N2, N3, N4. Okay, 4-level laser system. That is energy state E1. This is the ground state. This is the excited state. We have discussed in 4-level laser system. Ground state. This is the pumping level or excited level, and this is the upper and lower levels. In that 4-level laser system, we write in, that's the action of this action of that 4 level laser in we have discussed in previous video, that is the 4 level laser system. But we use it is the Boltzmann equation. It is Boltzmann equation. We use Boltzmann equation. We know that Boltzmann equation, that is n is equal to e raised to minus e divided by kt. N is equal to, that is the n is the population, number of population, e is equal to e raised to minus e divided by kt. Now Boltzmann equation, okay, Boltzmann equation for E1 and E2 state, E1 and E2 state, we write that N1 is equal to, in state E1, e raised to minus E1 divided by kt, and N2 for energy state E2, N2 is equal to e raised to minus E2 divided by kt. Then reciprocal, take reciprocal, N2 divided by N1 is equal to e raised to minus E2 divided by kt whole divided by e raised to minus E1 divided by kt. Then this transform of that side, it will be the minus, it will be the plus. Then we write here that N2 divided by N1 is equal to e raised to minus E2 divided by kt into e raised to plus E1 divided by kt, because it will be the divide, transform, it will be the numerator, denominator, transform, it will be the numerator, but sign will be changed. Then N2 divided by N1 is equal to base same, then power will be add, e raised to minus E2 plus E1 divided by kt, that will be the common, and therefore N2 divided by N1 is equal to e raised to, negative sign will common, negative common, it will be the minus, common negative sign will be common, that minus E2, it will be the plus E2 plus E1, it will be the minus E1 divided by kt. This, that N2 divided by N1 is equal to e raised to minus in bracket E2 minus E1 divided by kt, and therefore N2 is equal to N1 e raised to minus in bracket E2 minus E1 divided by kt. This N2 is equal to N1 e raised to minus E2 in minus in bracket E2 minus E1 divided by kt. Okay. Then next, assuming that E2 minus E1 divided by kt is greater than 1, and therefore that N2 is nearly equal to 0, or N2 is equal to 0. That term E2 divided by kt is greater than 1, okay, and that's why it will be the that term, and it will be the 0, greater than 1, it will be the 0, that term E2 minus E1 divided greater than 1, and that N2 will be 0, that quantity will be 0, and N2 is equal to 0. Okay, we calculate of that, okay, that minus E2 divided by E1 divided by kt, and that term will be greater than 1, that will be the positive, that term will be negative, that means N2 is negative. And then so for 4 level laser system threshold condition is N3 minus N2. Threshold condition are N3 minus N2 is greater than NTH. We have seen in previous video NTH, and therefore that N2 will be neglected. Why? Because that N2 is nearly equal to 0, and that N3 is greater than NTH. Okay. Then that threshold population in 3 level divided by threshold population in 4 level, that is a comparison of that, is equal to, in 3 level, that will be the n naught divided by 2, this n naught divided by 2, and in 4 level n3, the 4 level n3 is greater than nth, and that will be the nth, and therefore nth 3 level divided by nth 4 level is equal to n naught 2, it will be the transform of that side, n naught divided by 2 nth. This is the comparison of 3 level and 4 level laser system, that is nth 3 level divided by nth 4 level is equal to n naught divided by 2 nth. So for this term, this term is showing that it is very easy to pumping in 4 level rather than the 3 level laser system, 3 level 2 level laser system. This condition is very easy. Which condition? That is the 4 level laser system.